Stop by and take a look at the 2022 F-150. This vehicle is powered by a 6-cylinder, 2.7-liter engine and comes with an automatic transmission. This vehicle has less than 45,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: body color door handles, perimeter alarm, inside you'll find backup camera, trip computer, power rear window sunshade, power adjustable pedals, tinted glass, leather-wrapped steering wheel, compass. A Ford F-150 knows how to handle any situation. It's built to follow orders, no whining. If affordable style and reliability are what you're looking for, this vehicle couldn't be more perfect. Drive it today.